Good morning, class. In this lecture, we're going to talk a bit about Rakia, which is alcohol, typically homemade. We're going to talk about the process of how to make it. Now, in order to make Rakia, you need fruit, and the fruit can be grapes, plums, pears, apricots, but anything really. Any kind of fruit can be used to make Rakia, but those three fermentation process can start. Now the sugar especially speeds up the fermentation process and increases the final output of Rakia you will get from a certain amount of fruit you have put in. But you shouldn't overdo the amount of sugar because it decreases the quality of the alcohol and you might get headache eventually. So now you leave this mixture to ferment. The mixture is fermented, we go to the final stage, which is basically distillation. The process of the setup for the distillation process is shown here in this diagram. So we have our fruity mixture that has already nicely fermented. We have it in a cauldron that's heated up by fire, for example. And basically the process is due to the fact that alcohol has a low boiling point. So it's the first compound that starts evaporating. And once it evaporates, the vapor goes through this pipe here on top, then goes into this spiral curly thing that is immersed into water. It's curling like that so that there is a longer path through which the vapor travels. Now the water just acts as a cooler, so the vapor from here cools down back to alcohol and eventually have Rakia flowing out. Fruit that you have used. So are there any questions?
Yeah, are there any practical applications?
Yes, actually the practical applications are widespread, for example in Bulgaria. And in order to get an insight on practical applications, you have as a homework this bottle of Rakia.
Oh, I like homeworks. When is it due?
The empty bottle is due tomorrow morning.
Ooh.
And you are not allowed to work in groups. You can gather and discuss, but you have to finish the bottle on your own.